विटामिन सी सीरम तो इस तरह सभी लोग लगाते हैं, but did you know that there are more ways of using vitamin C serum? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all 3 amazing ways of using a vitamin C serum. Now, this is my favorite one. This is by the Dermaco. It's their 10% vitamin C face serum. ये वाला जो vitamin C serum है, it's ideal for all skin types. Even if you're a beginner at vitamin C, you can still use this because this has a 10% concentration of vitamin C, which is great for beginners. And even if you're like continuously using vitamin C serum in your regime, 10% is like more than enough to give you those visible results. तो ये vitamin C serum सभी लोग लगा सकते हैं. And vitamin C के तो बहुत सारे benefits होते हैं. Majorly, vitamin C helps to boost collagen production, which in turn increases the skin cell turnover. So it helps to repair any damage on your skin. सारा damage vitamin C repair कर देता है, and at the same time it renews your skin cells, thereby maintaining the youthfulness and the glow on your skin. तो vitamin C serum लगाने से it's going to give you anti-aging benefits and it's going to keep your skin looking younger and glowing for a long time. Now the reason why I love this vitamin C serum so much is because इसमें vitamin C के साथ और भी बहुत अच्छे active ingredients है. So it's got hyaluronic acid and 5% of niacinamide. Now niacinamide is great for all skin types. It helps to control sebum production on your skin. तो अगर आपके pores बहुत large है, if you have large open pores, then it will help to like reduce the appearance of your large open pores, and at the same time if you have any dark spots, any acne marks on your skin, it will help to fade all of that away, giving you a more clearer complexion. So niacinamide is amazing to clear out your skin, and इसमें hyaluronic acid भी है, which helps to hydrate the skin and retains the moisture into your skin, preventing dryness and making your skin look more plump and more dewy. So who would have thought that one single serum could have so many benefits? The serum literally gives you the benefits of 3 separate serums all in one product, which is the reason why I absolutely love this serum. अब आप इस सीरम को डायरेक्टली अपनी स्किन पे लगा सकते हो, जस्ट लाइक एवरीवन एल्स यूजेस विटामिन सी सीरम, or you can use it in 3 amazing unique ways. The first way of using a vitamin C serum is to mix it with your under eye cream. Now your under eye skin is thinner than the rest of your face, and that's why it requires more care and nourishment, and under eye creams provide the right amount of nourishment to your under eye region because they are thicker than regular creams. Moreover, आपका जो under eye region है, that's where the first signs of aging appear. You get fine lines and wrinkles under your eyes, and to prevent and delay them, you can mix vitamin C serum with your under eye cream. All you need is just 1 drop of vitamin C serum with your under eye cream. You want to mix it properly and massage it really well on your under eye region. The massaging will help to increase blood circulation and help the vitamin C serum to get absorbed faster by your skin. Vitamin C serum has anti-aging properties, and it helps to slow down the signs of aging, and it also helps to repair any damage on your under eye region. So if you have any fine lines and wrinkles on your under eye region, vitamin C serum will help to reduce the appearance of them. And even if you have dark circles, vitamin C helps to brighten up your skin, so it will help to reduce the dark circles and brighten up your under eye region. The second way of using vitamin C serum is to mix it with your moisturizer. Now this is my most favorite hack. I love doing this because I feel like my skincare regime just speeds up a lot when I mix products. And if you're a beginner to vitamin C, then you should definitely try this hack. You will love the results that it will give to your skin. For this, all you want to do is just take 2 drops of vitamin C serum and mix it with your favorite moisturizer and apply it all over your skin and neck and really blend it in until it's completely absorbed, and you will notice how dewy and glowy your skin will become instantly. Now I absolutely love mixing my vitamin C serum with this particular moisturizer. This is by the Dermaco. It's their oil-free daily face moisturizer. ये मॉइस्चराइज़र इतना ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली नॉन ग्रीसी एंड इट्स ऑयल फ्री, सो इट्स ग्रेट फॉर माई ऑयली स्किन टू. इट्स एक्चुअली suitable for all skin types. And why I love this moisturizer so much is because it's enriched with hyaluronic acid and ceramides. Hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate the skin and retains the moisture into your skin, so my skin remains moisturized for a longer time when I use this particular moisturizer. And it's also got ceramides, which helps to protect my skin barrier and just strengthens my skin barrier, so my skin is like less prone to damage, and it just looks so hydrated and so dewy and so glowy when I do this hack. ये वाला हैक मैं recommend करूँगी you do in your morning skincare regime because you will be surprised by the amount of glowiness and dewiness you will have on your face instantly. The third hack of using vitamin C serum is to mix it with your body lotion. Yes, you heard that right. Vitamin C serum can also be applied on your body skin, and it gives you the same kind of benefits that it gives on your facial skin. And for this, all you need to do is just take 2 to 3 drops of vitamin C serum and mix it with your body lotion and apply it all over your body generously and massage it until it's completely absorbed. This hack will provide hydration and glow to your body skin, and vitamin C serum is amazing to repair your skin. It helps to repair any sun damage and also sun tanning on your body skin, thereby evening out your skin tone and providing a beautiful glow on your skin. And you will notice how plump and youthful your body skin will become if you do this hack regularly. The best time to follow this hack is, I believe, after a shower, because that's when your skin is damp and the body lotion and the serum will get absorbed into your skin faster and give you better results. However, आप चाहे face पे vitamin C serum लगा रहे हो या body पे लगा रहे हो या कोई भी other active ingredient if you're using in your skincare regime, make sure that you apply sunscreen on any exposed part of your body before you step out in the sun, because active ingredients make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so you have to protect your skin from sun damage by using SPF. So yeah, that was my video on 3 amazing hacks of using a vitamin C serum in your daily regime. If you try out any of these hacks, do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you. If you want to purchase this vitamin C serum or any other products that I showed in today's video, you can purchase them from the links in the description box below. They're all available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. And if you want a discount of 20%, you can also use my coupon code RIA2023 on Dermaco's website and get a 20% off. Every time that you place an order on Dermaco's website, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have already helped more than 10,000 students across the year, which is such a good deed that they have done. So I highly recommend you support this cause and purchase products from Dermaco's website itself and get an amazing discount by using my code. Also, all new Dermaco products are now fragrance free, so even if you have sensitive skin, these products will still suit your skin. So yeah, that was my video for today. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.